Hello, welcome to John's Model Making. Well, time has finally arrived. Titanic is here, yes. Finally, I was expecting it tomorrow, to be honest. It only got to the Midlands Soup Hub. What was it? Sometime last night, around about 9:30 last night. But it's managed to find its way to Manchester and it's a Bolton. So I've got 5 issues, 137 to 141. So first of all, we'll have a look at issue 137. Excellent. Okay, here we have stage 137 coming in issue 138. Mast ring set templates, bow shrouds, bow flagpole, bow grille, dackle sheet, 4-2H parts, replacement parts A14 and B14. Oh, I didn't know we got replacement parts. And in the magazine, Delphic 2 from Waterpiece. That is the magazine. Gustav Darland's automatic lighthouses. Quite a lot in the magazine actually this month. And here we have replacement skylights, 137B and 137C. Oh. Well, first of all, we have the spool of black nylon line. Then we have the 2 skylights, a ladder or hoist, compass platform and a compass. So I think I glued mine on actually. I mean, I only put canopy glue on, so they should come off quite easy enough. But anyway, we replace them, put the compass. So we take the compass 137G and the platform 137F, fix the compass in the centre of the platform as shown using a little glue. There we go. Do we do anything with it? No, but we do. We put the hoist in place. Get my words wrong today. Further details have been added to the model. Store the ladder 137D and the compass platform assembly carefully. They'll be used in a future issue. Right. Obviously the rigging will do later as well. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, here we have the parts. Okay, those are our parts. There is the rigging, the nylon thread. We'll pop that away. Here we have the skylights. So that is one of the skylights. I'll have a look at the difference in a minute. There is the other one. Okay, those 2 are the originals. These are the replacements. Don't know what the difference is, to be honest. They've got little clips here at the side, corner pieces. Yeah, these haven't. That's the difference. Whereas that one had a bit of glue on it. There we go. You can see the little corner pieces. There we go. That's the difference. So they'll stay in place. Excellent. Let's pop them into place. Okay, let's pop the first skylight into place. That should clip in there. Get the corners in. One's been a bit obstropulous. There we go, that's that one in. Let's pop the other one in. There we go. That's the second one in. So we don't need any glue basically. Excellent. Okay, next we have 137F and 137G. There we go. It is shaped this, so it will only go in one way. So that will pop. The compass will pop into the platform. Just there, like that. Excellent. Yeah, so you can actually see it like that. Yeah, we can pop some glue underneath for that. Just a smidgen of glue, keep that in place. Just there. Excellent. There we go. Just pop that to one side because we don't really need it just yet. Now we can pop the hoist into place. Okay, we put the hoist just in here, where my finger is just there like that. Now it will press into place. It is shaped, so it will go there, but you might need some glue for that. Yeah, it is quite stiff that, so I think we'll leave that like that. And notice here I've got some chains here as well. I went to Hobbycraft, bought some 3mm chain, and I've just painted it black this morning. So that looks quite effective because I don't think we're going to get any chains off Hachette. Okay, look. So I think I'll take that out and glue it actually. There we go. There's the hoist in place. Yeah, brilliant. That chain looks effective as well. Brilliant stuff. Excellent. Let's move on. Well, that is it for issue 137. That's the quickest I've ever had on the Titanic, must admit. We keep the compass and this little brown ladder for later in the build. Excellent stuff. So that is it for stage 137. One hoist, 2 replacement skylights. Yeah, that is it. You know, we have got the spool of nylon thread. There we go. That's going to be fun putting that in together. But everything's working fine. I've already tested everything again today. It's working hunky-dory. And I have got some figures for it as well. I've got a Jack and Rose, and I've got about 160 figures, all little resin figures, mostly painted in black. Some I've put some detail on, some I haven't. Anyway, there we go. So I'll see you soon for stage 138, because there's quite a bit to do in stage 138. Anyway, there we go. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.